Hey everyone! So today I want to tell you a story that's probably a lot like yours. So not long ago I was completely lost. I had no formal training in programming, no mentor and no idea where to even begin. I bought all the online courses, watched countless tutorials and tried to follow along. But I would always get stuck. A tiny bug would appear and I would spend hours, sometimes days, scouring forums for an answer. So I felt like I was trying to build a castle with no blueprint and I was on the verge of quitting. And I was convinced that I just wasn't cut out for this. So then I found my secret weapon. It wasn't a bootcamp, a new degree, or an expensive certification. It was something that fundamentally changed my learning process and took me from a beginner to a self-taught programmer. So today I'm going to show you exactly how I did it and how you can do the same, no matter what part of tech you are interested in. The biggest obstacle for any self-taught learner is the feeling that you are completely on your own. So my breakthrough came when I realized AI could be my personal tutor, available 24/7. This was a game changer, to be honest. I stopped looking at tools like ChatGPT as just search engines and started using them for deep personalized understanding. For example, instead of just searching for what is object-oriented programming, I would ask it to explain object-oriented programming to me like I'm a beginner who only understands JavaScript. The AI didn't just give me a definition, it provided analogies and examples that resonated with my existing knowledge. I would then challenge it, asking, okay, now show me an example of inheritance in Python and explain each line of code. This allowed me to learn by deconstructing the code line by line, understanding the why behind the what, which is far more effective than simply copying and pasting from a tutorial. This process of active, personalized learning made the entire world of coding feel accessible and not so intimidating. So, how did I turn this discovery into a full-fledged learning blueprint? I developed a simple but powerful strategy that you can follow too. First, I used AI to create a personalized learning roadmap. Instead of searching aimlessly, I would give it a clear goal. I want to learn Python for web development. What are the key topics I need to master and in what order? The AI would generate a logical curriculum from basic syntax to frameworks like Flask or Django. This gave me a clear step-by-step plan that was tailored to my specific ambition. I also used this for other areas, asking it what is the best way to learn DevSecOps from scratch, and it would lay out the foundation concepts like CI/CD, threat modeling, and container security, and how they all fit together. This approach saved me months of aimless searching. Second, I used it for targeted problem solving. When I got stuck on a bug, I would paste my code and ask the AI, what am I doing wrong here? It wouldn't just fix the code, it would pinpoint the exact error and explain the concept I was missing. This tuned frustrating roadblocks into valuable learning opportunities. Third, I used it for concept mastery and cultural understanding. I realized that fields like DevSecOps aren't just a fixed toolset, they are a culture. I used AI to explore this mindset, asking it for real-world case studies and examples of how companies like Google or Amazon integrate security into their development lifecycle. This taught me the why behind the how, helping me to grasp the deeper, more important principles of my chosen field. This is the kind of insight you won't get from a simple online course. My journey proves that anyone can teach themselves complex technical skills with the right tools. You don't need a formal education or a huge budget. You just need to change your approach. Start by seeing AI as your mentor. Give it a specific, clear goal, whether that's learning a new programming language, building a mobile app, or understanding cloud computing. Then let it guide you. Ask it questions, demand clear explanation, and use it to unlock yourself from problems that would normally take hours to solve. The best part? This process is open to anyone, regardless of your background. It's about taking ownership of your learning journey and using the most powerful technologies available to accelerate your progress. Ultimately, AI did not just teach me how to code, it taught me how to be a more effective and independent learner. It gave me the confidence and the tools to navigate a complex and ever-changing field on my own terms. This isn't about letting AI do the work for you. It's about using it to accelerate your own learning and critical thinking. My skills are stronger now because I learned to leverage the incredible technology. The old gatekeepers of knowledge are gone. The future of learning is here, and it's in your hands. So, if you're ready to take control of your learning journey and build a career you're passionate about, smash that like button and subscribe. In our next video, I will show you the exact prompts I use to master a new coding language and frameworks in a fraction of time. Thank you.